I chose to live and teach abroad in Korea because I wanted to look back on my life with no I wish I hads. I wanted to remember nights falling in love with strangers, getting lost in neighborhoods like Gangnam, Hongdae, and Itaewon, places I'd only ever seen through screens. I wanted to find the best tteokbokki and learn to make kimchi from scratch. I wanted to devour food I had never heard of and let the simple memories break me out in a smile. During the day, I wanted to traverse the famous Korean cafe scene and at night discover every hidden bar, finding myself surrounded by new friends, sipping drinks, overlooking the most breathtaking views. I wanted to share all the love I have with the next generation, to open my students' eyes to a world they were only just starting to explore, to laugh and cry with them, to watch them light up as they recognize their own brilliance and individuality. I wanted to celebrate holidays I had never heard of. I wanted to eat seongpyeon on Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving, to play yutnori in a palace courtyard while celebrating Lunar New Year. I wanted to learn all the little traditions that make Korea so deeply beautiful. I chose to teach and live in Korea because I wanted to listen, to hear all the stories and music I did not grow up with. I wanted to tear down my naivety of the world and fill myself with as much knowledge and understanding as I could possibly carry. I wanted to listen and hold space for elders to share their stories of lives I have only heard about in diluted history textbooks. I wanted to learn how to speak a new language, to appreciate the cultures of my friends and loved ones, to learn to say thank you, 감사합니다, or hello, 안녕하세요, or I love you, 사랑해요. I chose to live and teach abroad in Korea because I wanted to know even just a sliver of the world outside my bubble. To connect with understanding the greater human experience of living, surviving, and finding joy in all the little moments in between.